Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn the weather related terms in Korean language. So this is the part 1 of our video series in which we are going to learn the Korean weather vocabulary. So let's start. First one is the Korean word for climate, and that is 기후. 기후. Okay. Next comes the Korean word for weather, and that is 날씨. 날씨. Now comes the Korean word for rain, and that is 비. 비. Very easy. Next comes the Korean word for snow, and that is 눈. 눈. Now let's see the Korean word for wind, and that is 바람. 바람. Okay, now comes the Korean word for cloud, and that is 구름. 구름. Okay, next let's see the Korean word for storm, and that is 폭풍. 폭풍. Now comes the Korean word for drought, and that is 가뭄. 가뭄. Okay, next comes the Korean word for fog, and that is 안개. 안개. Okay, and the last one is the Korean word for thunderstorm, and that is 뇌우. 뇌우. Okay, so today we learned 10 Korean words related to weather. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.